Good morning children. Welcome to today's session. In the last class, we have learnt a new lesson. What was the name of the lesson? Sona's Adventures. This is the story about camel and many other animals. Okay. So in the section 1, you came to know Mother Camel and Sona. Who was Sona? The child of the Mother Camel. He was the young son of the Mother Camel. When they were walking through the desert, young son, who was the young son? Sona, he felt thirsty. He felt thirsty and wanted water, but mother said to walk on because she said that there was water nearby, and told him where there are trees in the desert, there only they can find water, and even villages will be nearby. So in this way, what happened? Sona listened his mother. They came to a pond where they saw water. And then, who came near to them? This all things was watched by whom? A crow. So we will read the section 2. Okay. Section 2. No, we couldn't, laughed the mother camel. Now what couldn't? I am sure, continued the crow, shaking his head from side to side, you could drink the pool dry. Now crow is asking, I think you will drink till the pool becomes dry. So who said, no, we couldn't, laughed the mother camel. Mother camel said, no, we don't need so much of water. We will not make the pool dry. But you are quite right. But still, you are right. We camels drink gallons of water at a time. We drink about 4.5 liters of water at a time. Why? Asked the crow. So, crow asked, why do you drink so much water? We live mostly in deserts. Desert areas are dry areas where water is difficult to find. So they could not find every time water. But we don't really mind because we can go without water for days. But they don't have any problem because they can survive without water for many days. In our stomachs, we have a separate compartment to store water. They drink water and they have separate place to store water. Besides, when we don't get water, our bodies can produce it. And if they don't have water, or if they don't get anywhere water, their body itself produce water. So do you know when we last had a drink of water? So do you know when we drank water the last time? When? Asked the crow. A crow is asking, when did you drink water? Or the last day when you drank water? Who found these strange animals very interesting? The crow found these animals very interesting because they don't drink water for many days and can survive. 5 days ago, replied the mother. Mother said, which mother? Mother camel said, 5 days before what did we do? We drank water. 5 days, exclaimed the crow in amazement. So crow was surprised and said, before 5 days? He flew off to tell the other animals. So he went away to tell this to other animals. When Sona heard this, he felt proud. He came to know that the crow went to tell all the animals about them. So Sona, he felt little proud. We are very special, aren't we, mother? He said. So he asked, mother, aren't we so special? That's why the crow went to tell everyone. Of course, said his mother. So mother camel said, yes, really. The camel sat down in the shade of the trees. Then they sat under the shade of the trees. The mother camel soon began to doze. So mother camel, she started to doze, means started to sleep. Go to sleep, Sona, said his mother. And Sona's mother also told him to sleep. Not yet, I am going exploring, said Sona, and wandered off. So he's saying, no, I won't sleep now. I will just go around and find out. The crow had already spread the news about the camels. The crow already have told the news about the camels. The older animals heard what the crow said with little interest. Now, the older ones, the older animals, They heard with little interest, but the younger ones set off at once to see this peculiar animal. So, when the younger animals came to know about it, what did they do? The young ones of older animals. Okay, older opposite is younger. So when they came to know about these strange animals, they wanted to find out or they wanted to see them. They hid behind bushes and rocks so that they could see without being seen. So they hid behind the bushes and some rocks to just watch the strange animals. Now next is section 3. They saw Sona wandering about. They saw Sona moving here and there. The talkative rabbit jumped out of a bush and sitting on its hind legs. So Rabbit was very talkative, so he jumped out of a bush and then sat on its hind legs, stared at Sona, looked strangely at Sona. Suddenly he burst out laughing. Then the rabbit started laughing. "Who are you and what are you laughing at?" asked Sona angrily. Seeing him laughing, what happened? Sona became angry and asked, "Why are you laughing?" "You haw haw haw," laughed the rabbit. So he said, "You," and he started laughing. "You look so funny. You are so funny creatures. The crow told us you were wonderful animals." The crow said that you all are wonderful animals. "You are not wonderful at all. You are not so wonderful. You are ugly and silly looking. You look very ugly. And seeing you, I feel laughing. That is silly looking. Look at those long, long legs. That funny humped back. So look at your long legs. And look at your hump at the back and that neck. And see your neck? Ha ha ha." The other animals began to laugh too. Seeing the rabbit laugh, the other animals also laughed. The goat, the snake, the deer, the fox and others. There were many, the goat, the snake, the deer, the fox and many others. They surrounded Sona and began making fun of him. They all surrounded. See, look here, they all surrounded Sona and started laughing at him. "What's your name?" asked the snake. Then the snake asked, "What is your name?" "What's that big hump on your back?" "So what is that big hump on your back?" "Let's call him Humpy." The snake said, "Let us call him whom?" "The camel Humpy." "Why?" "Because there is a hump on its back." Ha ha ha. They are laughing. Okay. "No, no," said the goat. Goat said, "No, we'll call him Flatfoot. Let us call him Flatfoot. Look at those long legs and those funny flat feet because their feet are flat." Okay. So the goat said, "We will call them Flatfoot." The goat jumped up and down, showing off his lovely slim legs. So the goat jumped up and down to show the slim legs. "Now, what about that silly long neck?" Ha ha ha. "Now what about his long neck? And have you seen his tail? And look at its tail," cried the fox, pointing to the Sona's short little tail, pointing the camel's short little tail. "Look at my beautiful tail." And fox is showing his beautiful tail. He added proudly, waving his bushy tail. So his tail he waved and said very proudly. What did he say? "Look at my bushy tail." Then what happened? See, "Don't make fun of him," said the deer. Deer was very nice. He said, "Don't make fun of whom?" Sona, who was kind and gentle. The deer was very kind and gentle. "Look at my tail." And deer said, "Look at my tail. It is just as small. You all are saying that Sona's tail is what? Short and little. But look at my tail. I have also small tail. It is just as small." Poor Sona did not know what to say. But this poor Sona, what happened? He was feeling very bad. So he didn't know what to say. Feeling very hurt and angry. Now he was feeling very hurted and also was very angry. He ran to his mother. He went near his mother. All the way back, he could hear their laughter. When he was returning to his house, he could hear the animals, or he was just thinking of the animals and he heard their laughter. Now, this is Adventures Part 1. Part 2 is given again in page number 26. That is lesson 3. So what did you came to know in this lesson, children? That camels, they drink gallons of water, they have humps on their backs, and they have a separate compartment to store water, and they can live many days without drinking water. And they can they can produce water of their own if there is scarcity in water. Now, the news about them spread by the crow to other animals, and the other animals, young ones, wanted to see the camels. So they came to the camels, so they came near Sona and described very funnily about Sona. So the Sona became very upset, even hurted. And then there was a single animal, which was a deer, who said, what did the deer say? That don't make fun of others. So children, you read this lesson and then you have to write its word meanings. Okay, now next one, read and understand. Talk about it. Page number 20. What are the creatures? Let us find the answers to these questions. You have to write the question from your textbook. Talk about it. A. Read section 1. That one. Write the question in your notebook. And here I am writing only the answers. You have to write the questions and the answers in your notebook. What are the creatures mentioned here? Here the question is related with only section 1. So what are the creatures, children? Camels and crow. Okay. Now second one. What kind of a place is it? So what type of a place it was? So it is a desert. Third one. Why did Sona stop? So Sona stopped for what, children? Stopped to search for water. Next one. How did his mother make him go on? How did his mother make him go on? How, children? By telling that they were near to water. They were near to water. That water was nearby, or they were near to water. Next one. What did the crow think about the camels? What did he think? That they were... Children, this answers only you write in short. They were strange and interesting animal. They were strange and interesting animal. Okay. So what are the creatures mentioned here? Camels and crow. So what kind of a place is it? It is a desert. Next one, why did Sona stop? Sona stopped to search for water. Next one, how did his mother make him go on? By telling that they were near to water. What did the crow think about the camels? They were strange and interesting animals. The next one, section 2, find the answers of these questions. Okay, just you have to discuss, no need to write. What interesting things about camels did the mother camel tell the crow? What interesting things, children? That they can live many days without drinking water. They can drink gallons of water at a time, and then they have a special compartment to store water. They can produce water of their own when there is no water. Now, which animals were interested in knowing more about camels? The young ones of other animals were very interested to know more about camels because the crow had informed them about these strange animals, and everyone wanted to see such interesting animals. Okay, children. Next one, see section 3. All the animals laughed at Sona. Choose words from the box and write what they had to say. So here this is C. This is your homework. Even number these sentences in the correct order. This is also your homework. Write it. How many? Write it in your textbook only. Okay. Now next one, worksheet. Tick the correct answers. Okay. E. Next one is E. Tick the correct answers. E. First one. Sona's mother said that camels have a separate dash in their stomachs to store water. What they had? Compartment, home, pocket. What, children? Compartment. So put a tick near compartment. So what you have to put? You have to put a tick near compartment. Now the second one. The animal that suggested the nickname Humpy for Sona was, who was it, children? Snake. So put a tick near snake. And the third one, the only animal that tried to defend Sona was, who only told good things about Sona? Who was it, children? Yes, deer. He did not say good things, but he said in favor of whom? Camel. Okay, children, for today's class this much. You write this. You have to write which one? Read section 1, that is A. You have to write in your notebook. Rest you have to write in your textbook along with the word meanings. You have to learn the word meanings. Okay, children, for today's session this much. I hope you all are writing your cursive writing. Thank you. Meet you in my next class.